Hello and welcome to AI for Beginners Daily Series. If words like artificial intelligence or AI confuse you, don't worry. In this video, I will explain what AI really is in the simplest way possible. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. In simple words, AI is when machines learn from data, just like humans learn from experience. For example, when YouTube recommends videos, when Google completes your sentence, or when your phone unlocks using your face. That is artificial intelligence. AI is not magic. AI is not a robot. AI is simply a tool. The more data it sees, the better it becomes. You already use AI every day, without realizing it. Google Maps finds faster routes. Gmail filters spam emails. Netflix suggests shows. AI is important because it helps people save time, work faster, and learn better. You do not need to be a programmer. You do not need technical knowledge. If you can use a smartphone, you can use AI. In this daily series, you will learn how to use AI tools step by step. Subscribe and come back tomorrow. In the next video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT properly for daily tasks.